Okay, so first things first, we've got to put the crankcase breather in. I've put a bead of RTV sealant around it. And there we have it. There we go. First job done. We're running. That marked at front engine. That's the front, this is the rear. Number 1 on the left, number 6 on the right. So that's number 1 cylinder. That mark to the front. Now these have got to be matched pairs. That's at front engine, that mark. Right, that's the top shell. It's just polished, there's no wear at all hardly. Right, so we need to mark that. That's number 1 upper. So the plan is to get things separated so that we can fit the pistons to the rods, put the pistons in the barrel and put the barrel and the head on the crankcase. That's the plan. Right, next thing. I have brand new bolts for these. That is a brand new bolt from Kawasaki. If we measure that, you'll see that that is 49mm dead. Okay, let's measure an old bolt. You'll see that that is 49.7mm. So Kawasaki's claim that these bolts stretch in use is right. They do stretch in use. So what I'm saying is, an old one versus a new one, if you're taking one of these apart, put new bolts in. Don't put the old ones back.